Hello everyone, welcome to Module 4. I just wanted to explain a little bit about this module. So for our module, this week we are actually going to use the other book that you needed to purchase. And the book that I had you guys to purchase is basically this book. Fluency with Information Technology. We are going to use a few of these chapters. So we're going to start with this book from chapter 10. So in the module 4, you can see that we are going to cover chapter 10, 11, and 13. We are going to skip 12 because we covered some part of it in previous book. So we're going to cover chapter 10, 11, and 13. For chapter 13, you need to have Microsoft Excel. So you need to have Office installed. So if you if you see here on my computer screen, you can see as part of my Microsoft Office, you will have Microsoft Excel. So it's not like something that you have to install. It's already, if you have Office, it's going to be installed on your computer. And so we are in for chapter 13, we need to have Microsoft Excel. Another thing that I want to mention to you, I don't know if you have ever used LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning is basically, there's a website that I'm going to provide to you, which will have all the instructional videos about maybe Excel, if you want to learn more about Excel, if you want to learn about web development, if you want to learn about PHP, if you want to learn about WordPress, you can find everything on LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning used to be lynda.com, but now they LinkedIn bought it, and now it's LinkedIn Learning. And Empire State University has actually purchased this, so it's as part of your tuition or whatever, you all going to have access to LinkedIn Learning, and it's going to be valid throughout the terms that you are here at ESE. So I will just ask you guys to take advantage of that, because you can learn a lot of various softwares with just using the LinkedIn Learning, and learn about, like, they have videos, they have tutorials, they have actually like exercises that you can use. So, and I want you guys to watch few videos about Microsoft Excel as well from LinkedIn Learning. So that's what in your module I have provided this. So if I click on this, you can see that it's gonna open up this. First, you have to log in with your username and password that you are logging in for the single sign-on to Empire State. And then after you do that, then you can see that it's going to be connected within LinkedIn Learning. So it's a single sign-on. So as you can see here, this is LinkedIn Learning. And you can actually set a goal for yourself, and you can see all the progress. And once you finish like one course, then you can also show it on your LinkedIn and things like that. So I want to search here for Excel. So once I search for Excel, you see that a lot of different things are coming here that you can see. There are a lot of different classes, tutorials that are kind of gives you training. So there is this training, like you can see, and some of them are popular. We are going to also do some Microsoft Access database in this class as well. So you can see, even you can search for Access and you can see it here. So I'm going to ask you guys to watch few videos. It just depends if you have what version of Microsoft Excel you will have. It just depends. Right now you can find anything you want about 16, even some they have posted some 19 as well. They're kind of very similar, just there are some features that might be different, and also some people, they might have it as part of Office 2010 or even 2013 that are out there. So I want you guys to kind of start with this one, Essential Training, and just go to the basic module. You don't have to go through everything, but you can actually use this as. So if you click on the content, you can see that you have introduction, getting started with Excel, entering data, creating formulas. So I want you guys to kind of follow this, and you can also download the exercise files here. So I want you guys to kind of follow the introduction, getting started with Excel, entering the data, and as well as learning how to use the formulas and function in Excel. You can always also play around with formatting, which I think in this chapter 13 assignment you also need to do. So it's good. The first 4 parts I want you guys to follow with this video. So you can, of course, you're always welcome to watch all of it if you like and learn everything about Excel. So I encourage you to use LinkedIn Learning. It's a great tool. Not only for this class you can use it, but for any other classes or for your work. If you need to watch some videos about certain software or whatever, you can actually use it here. So please let me know if you have any questions and problems, and I'm here to help you guys. And I hope you have a great week. Take care. Bye.